Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V21e, and let me share with you how to turn off warning apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with a square icon and you will be transferred to the recents. If you've got the gestures, then simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps. And if you want, you can close, for example, only one of it or 2 of them, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them with only one click, just tap on clear all, and basically that will be all. We should receive the information, but as you can see in this device we do not. We can enter, of course, the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Vivo V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.